Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this finger exercise glove equipment for event purposes. As you can see, it comes with everything that you need to use. The glove that will do the exercise comes with all the air tubes, and you can connect it to the main unit. It has some bulbs so you can close and choose which fingers you are gonna select to use, which I think that it's really nice. You can see the tubing and all the pieces where you're gonna place your hand. This is the intake setup set, which I think that it's nice. This strap so you can secure it up on your hand. This training ball that you can use with one hand that will be exercised on the other one. The power adapter, which I think that it comes handy. It's Type-C, and the main unit where we are gonna control it and use the specified inputs to control the hand exercise equipment, which I think that it's nice. We have a mirror gloves which you can use. You can set it up for a automatic mode or use it with this mirror glove that will be opening or closing when you open or close your hand. It also comes with all the important instructions and information that you're going to need to use it, which I think that is nice. You should give it a really good read upon it. So let's test it out. First, we're going to connect the power adapter onto the electrical outlet so we can connect the main unit set to it with the USB Type-C port that comes in the back. We're just going to go ahead and plug it in. And once that we have ready, we can do the proper connections of the training glove. As I've said, it uses an air intake that you just press in the air intake like this. It's not hard at all. And then we can connect the mirror glove if you want it. In any case, I'm just going to plug it in a bit and I'm going to disconnect it to show it how it works, okay? Now that we have it, both of them ready, we're going to set it up to place it upon our hand like this. You just place your fingers in each finger part that goes. Once that we have it at our hand ready, we're just going to make sure that it fits right, and we're going to use the Velcro strap, so we'll close it up like this, pressing up on the palm of your hand. And we're going to take the other orange strap that comes included as a secure Velcro strap, so it fits really securely upon our hand, which I think that it's really nice. It fits tightly like this, and now we can use it. We're going to go ahead and place the training or mirror glove upon our other hand. As I've said, I'm going to do some exercise with the automatic mode and the mirror mode, okay? And now we're just going to go ahead and turn it on. When we turn it on, we can see that the air intake takes hold of our hand and it moves it a bit, okay? Once that we have it like this, we can opt to use it with the mirror option and close our hand so it becomes a fist. We can use the ball that comes included so we can clench it up and have something in our hand so it turns into a fist. And when we let go of the ball, the hand will go on to our initial position, which I think that it's really, really nice. Either way, it stays close while you're holding the hand like that. As you can see, once that I start letting go, it goes into the initial position, which I think that it's great in this mirror mode. Or you could opt to take out the mirror glove from the main unit and use it in the automatic mode that you can set it up with 5 training speeds and 5 intensity levels, which I think that it's nice. Overall, I think that it's really, really nice. It's really easy to use and the instructions are really clear, and I will really, really recommend it. See you guys.